Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece right here and you are going to put it through this slit, and then you are going to pull it through like this. And see how it creates this? That is going to be the cup. You're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Put it through. And there you go. So basically now, when you put this on your face, you're gonna pull tight on this. Your nose goes here, this goes on your chin, and then you will take these two pieces and tie them together. First, you want to remove your glasses. Then you want to place it like this. Take two tips and tie them behind your neck, like such. And then position.